Right, so I am now going to find myself a trade. And what I like to do is go to here, auto trading, which means I'm going to use the robot, find the best trade. Now I've got some euros. I'm going to see if there's anything for euros first. And I've got those on Livecoin. And here's one. It says 2.7%. So I'm going to look at the robot. And you can see I have $67. So I'm going to use those, use balance. And you can see that I can do this lightning trade with a return of 3%. So I'm going to click that. Click, click, and click. Buy now. And then go to my root screen. And here you can see the trade. And there's a countdown marker here, which you have to refresh when it tells you to. But you can also look how the trade is doing by going here. And at the moment you can see it hasn't yet started. But it's going to buy Bitcoin with euros. And then it's going to sell Bitcoin at Binance and buy euros. And I should get a higher return than this $67 that I started with. So let's see how it goes. So I'll close that again. It says it's in process, step 1. So I'm going to look at the root again and see if anything's snowed. It's still not doing anything. So we'll give it a few minutes. Twiddle our thumbs. And you can see the countdown marker here. It's down to 56 seconds. And now you can see it's actually started. So it's doing this one. So it's buying the Bitcoin at Livecoin with euros. Okay, and once this is done, this will go dark blue. So we've still got 33 seconds. So if it had gone dark blue, I would have refreshed straight away. But as it's still showing the pale colour, we'll wait. Another little look. No, it's still the same. So I think I'm going to wait the 12 seconds before I refresh the screen. And you can see here I did a trade earlier, but because it wasn't profitable, it just stopped. Okay, so you can now see that it says it's in step 2 in progress. So if you look at the pop-up, you can see it's now gone dark blue and it's now carrying out the trade on Binance. And what it's going to do is going to sell Bitcoin and we convert that into euros, and I should get a higher amount than the 67 euros that I started with. So again, you know, so the whole trade only probably takes less than 4 minutes. Right, so now you can see it's completed, but it's still 59 seconds to go. So what I need to do now is refresh my screen. And you can see that I've made a 2.8%. So I started with $67.44 and I made $69.31 in less than 4 minutes. And you can see also that it is refunded the 2 credits that I paid for the root. So this is pure profit that I've just made. You know, and if you could do that all day long, who needs to go to work?
Now, if you'd like to make trades like the one Barbara just did, you can come and join us here at Johnny Blockchain. So if you go over to johnnyblockchain.com, the link's in the description. And once you're on this page, you can actually set up a 14-day free trial. So you'll get access to all of our arbitrage and all of our portfolio management and our trading system for 14 days completely free. And we'll also give you some free trading credits so that you can start trading straight away once you've connected your exchanges. Obviously, to join for free, just click on this button. You'll get this pop up, and then from this drop down menu, make sure you choose the starter account. Create your free account today, and I'll speak to you in another video. You have an amazing day and happy trading.